Hi guys and welcome back. Did you know the moon is approximately 500,000 miles away? Well, in today's video we're going to talk about 5 cars that'll do that comfortably and reliably. If you're new, please hit the like and subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So our first car is the awesome VW Passat TDI PD130. The PD130 is the best out of the PD engines in terms of power and reliability. The AWX engine has Bosch injectors, an 8-valve head and no balance shaft system, which means no consumption or oil pump issues which affected other engines. The only thing this engine needs other than careful maintenance is the correct oil. Also worth noting, this engine is shared across other VW and Audi models, but for this video we're sticking with the Passat. The Passat has a fantastic reputation even till today in building high quality, comfortable and reliable cars. Camber should be changed every 4 years or 40,000 miles, and the only other thing to look out for is wet carpets, as the drain ducts near the battery pack can block, causing electrical issues. But wet carpets isn't going to stop this ship getting to 500,000 miles. Many owners of this car have far surpassed the £500,000 mark, and some even double that. If you're in the market for a Passat 1.9 TDI, then I would suggest getting the Highline model and enjoy the extra spec that comes with it. In terms of driving, the Passat drives very similar to the Golf, has great in-gear acceleration with 210 foot-pounds of torque, easy to drive, nice feedback from the steering wheel and handles pretty well. That's the Passat in a nutshell. Let's move on to our next motor. Our next car, which may come as a surprise to some of you, is the Toyota Prius. This car has proven reliability, and I can confidently say, if maintained properly, this car can go on for a very long time. The Prius originally entered production back in 1997 as the first full production hybrid vehicle. It's a very popular car amongst taxi drivers for its practicality, reliability and fuel efficiency. We also know taxi drivers have to ensure their cars are well maintained, so don't feel hesitant if buying off a taxi driver. There's a lot of misconception about hybrid cars and the cost of hybrid batteries. However, the Prius has a unique feature which allows you to change individual cells rather than replace the whole battery. If there is somehow a catastrophic failure with the battery, then don't worry, Toyota offer an 8-year 100,000 miles warranty on battery modules and converters, and 10 years and 150,000 miles warranty for a new battery. How is that for peace of mind? Owners' review of the Prius are very positive, with many stating that they would never return to a non-hybrid car again. The Gen 2 and Gen 3 Prius are probably the most popular due to affordability. You can pick up a good example of the Gen 3 for around £4,000 to £5,000 with under 100,000 miles, which means you can be confident that there's plenty of life left in it. Moving on to our next car is the Volvo V70 D5. Manufactured from years 2008 to 2016, this tank of a car has a 2.4 litre DOC double overhead cam 5-cylinder 20-valve turbo diesel engine producing 180 bhp, 295 foot-pounds of torque and accelerating to 60 in just under 8 seconds. Not only is this car fast, it's comfortable, it's high spec, affordable, and being a Volvo, you can be assured its safety standards top class. However, the Volvo doesn't offer the best in terms of driving experience. The V70 has been described as disengaging, and the handling isn't the best compared to its German counterparts. In terms of reliability and reaching that 500,000 mile goal, the main thing is to keep an eye out on the belt changes. The auxiliary belt isn't a difficult job, and you can do this yourself. The belt itself is cheap and simple to fit. The cam belt is a major player here. Ensure this is done on time and within schedule. Engine servicing is regular using the correct oil, and you shouldn't have any issues where the engine is concerned. Many Volvo owners, including the D5 range, all report positive feedback, and many have reported crossing the 500,000 mile range. Our next car is the Skoda Superb. The earlier generation would have the same engine as the Passat with the PD engines. Absolutely solid cars. The exterior is nice, elegant and bulky with good proportions all round. Plenty of space just like the Passat, and again the main thing to look out for is cam belt changes and servicing. The PD engines, as discussed, are bulletproof. The latest Skoda Superbs had the 2-litre TDI engine which came in both 140 and 170 bhp model. Not as reliable as 1.9 TDI PD engines, but still very durable, and with good maintenance there shouldn't be any major issues. Some engine variants in the Mark II come with a DPF, so if you're not doing enough miles this could potentially cause some major issues. Nonetheless, the Superb is a fantastic car, and maintained well will easily get you to 500,000 miles and more. Our final car on this episode is the Mercedes 190e, which came with a 2.3 litre 16-valve engine producing 180 bhp and accelerating to 60 in 7.5 seconds. Even in today's standards, that's impressive. The Mercedes developed in this era were machines made from a different time. They were mileage eaters and could go on forever. This car was released back in 1983 and production ran for about 10 years. There's still plenty of 190s you can still buy today, which is testimony to its reliability. These cars are comfy, sporty, iconic and really put some value into the Benz name. I think these cars have aged really well considering they are around 30 years old. Owners have easily reported mileage of over 200,000 miles, and some point to an unverified example of one reaching over 3 million miles. Yes, that's 3 million miles, and apparently that was done on an original engine and gearbox. Crazy. Well, that's it guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. It'd be really interesting to get your thoughts, so please put them in the comment section below. Please remember, this is the tip of the iceberg. There's plenty of cars that'll do 500,000 miles. Let me know if you want to see a part 2. In the meantime, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.